Hey guys, so I'm gonna be going live with Dr. Geetika, and she's a well-known dermatologist from Delhi. She also has a clinic in Delhi and Mumbai, and we're gonna be sharing in some amazing skin, talking about skin treatments and the bridal treatments as well as daily skincare, all of it. So I'm just waiting for Dr. Geetika to join me soon. Hi Sachin. Thank you all for joining in. All right, so we have Dr. Geetika here. Hi.
Hi, Dimple.
I'm having a pleasure having you today on the live session with me here.
Thank you. Same here. How's it going with you?
Good, good. It's all going well. It's kind of monotonous, honestly, but can't help it dealing with the grind.
Of course, of course. That's true. So, have you started doing the bridal makeups already? I'm sure the weddings have started, right?
No, honestly, in Mumbai, I'm not hearing anyone doing it because the cases are really rising rapidly. But
Yeah.
I think you're Delhi based, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. In Delhi, I guess there are already weddings started, right?
In Delhi, they have started weddings, with the smaller group of number people, and yeah, they're taking the precautions so long. Let's hope for the best.
Yeah, it's a very, very tricky situation. All right, doctor. So let's get started. Wanted to ask you, we'll talk about obviously various topics, but let's start with a regular skincare regime at this point of time, for daytime as well as nighttime. What is the great skincare regime to be followed?
So, Dimple, going back to the basics, I think we all have been reading about the right skincare routine, and thankful to the Google and media, we all know that CTM is important. So,
Right.
I'm going to re-emphasize going back to the basics is really important because still I know for so many people who don't even clean their faces, thinking that they are, inside, not going outside, so they don't need to wash their face. But washing the face is really important because it's just not the pollution or dust or dirt sticking on the face, but it can also be the sebum, the dead cells, which can accumulate and make your skin look very sallow. So, morning and at night, both the times, washing the face twice daily is important. But if you are sweating and working out, then you can also wash your face post you come back home or your workout. So, washing the face is important. And going back to your skin types, oily skin type can use a face wash with salicylic acid, which is more oil controlling, while the dry skin or someone with sensitive skin can use something more creamy and more gentler on the face. So wash
Right.
your face, follow it with the toner. So toner is one of the good supplements in the skincare routine. So a lot of people confuse toner thinking it's very alcohol based and it can make your skin
Yeah.
dry, but the scene. Toners are important because that can also exfoliate your skin. So use a toner post cleansing the face. You can use it on your palm, just put a few drops of it and dab on your face, or you can use it with a cotton pad and swipe across the face. So these are two ways to use it. And then post the toner comes the serum. Now serum is like your skin ally that you need. It is a mix of antioxidants. It can be vitamin C, vitamin E, it can be vitamin B12, it can be also with hyaluronic acid, it can be with retinol. So depending on your skin concerns, on niacinamide, depending on the skin concerns, you can use a serum. About 2 to 3 drops of all over the face and the neck is sufficient. And then an under eye cream around the eye, followed by a moisturizer. Even a oily skin type needs a moisturizer. It can be gel based moisturizer for them, but you do need a moisturizer. And then the sunblock. So sunblock is the most important step. So I would tell my viewers over here, don't get lazy till the time you
Right.
reach the sunblock step, because sunblock is really important. Minimum SPF 30 to 40, half an hour before stepping out in the sun, and every 2 to 3 hours when you're out in the sun, you have to reapply it. So
So
that's for
the
the day. And at
under eye
night,
cream is to be applied in the day as well as the night, or only in the night?
sorry, what?
The under eye cream, is it
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you should apply it in the day and night?
Yes, so at night it will be your face wash, your toner again, the serum again, under eye cream, and then a moisturizer. So the night moisturizer would be slightly more heavier and different because at night your skin is rejuvenating and taking that time to rewind. While during the day we put products which are more protective in nature. So
Right.
definitely all followed at night.
Okay, great. Over just that, we have just few questions. Would you quickly just tell a good toner for oily skin?
So for oily skin, you can use a toner which is green tea extract based. Something from Kiehl's Blue Toner is something that I really like for oily skin. Even Clinique has a very good toner for oily skin. One can pick any of those.
Okay, and is Cetaphil good for all skin types?
The Cetaphil has various moisturizers and various cleansers. So you need to know your skin type first and then pick it up. I'll talk about a very simple test that you can do at home to know your skin type. So once you wash your face in the morning, use a nice pH balanced mild face wash. Just wash your face and don't apply anything. For half an hour, don't apply anything on your face. And then you self-assess. Is your skin feeling stretchy and dry, or is it getting oily, or is it getting very irritated? What is it that your skin is feeling? So if it's getting stretchy and dry, it's on the dry skin. And if it's getting oily all over the face, it's oily skin. If it's just good getting oily on the part and dry and stretchy on the outer, then it is a combination skin. But if it tends to get really irritated with some small red patches, then it is a sensitive skin type. So you can use the products based for your skin type. So Cetaphil, it has a cleanser for oily skin type. Use that, and it has moisturizers also which are for different skin types. So for a very dry skin, they have a very lovely product called Damp. So it is a moisturizer which can make your skin moisturized till up till 24 hours. So you pick the
Okay,
product type.
right. Okay. So, I mean, okay, I think there's someone who asked about pregnancy. I mean, is any pregnancy tips for face regime?
Yeah, so your skin changes during pregnancy, and definitely there are changes that are actually similar to the baby changing inside you. So you need to be taking care of your skin differently. You cannot use the same products because certain products are definitely contraindicated to be used during the pregnancy. So your face wash has to be more milder. You need to know if your skin type has changed. Has it become more oily? Has it become more acne prone? Because in that case, include certain other products. And then pigmentation is another very important thing that you need to be wary of because
Yeah,
in
I was just
pregnancy.
going to ask you. That's a very important question. I think for Indian skin tones, everyone, let it be pregnancy women as well as the other women, are dealing with a lot of pigmentation on the face. Like even I like have this kind of a little
Yeah.
patch coming up.
So hormones play a very big role because in pregnancy there's something called the pregnancy mask. So you start getting pigmentation around here. It starts with the pregnancy mask or cloasma, and it becomes a melasma later on. So you have to use your vitamin C serum and the sunblock very, very properly during pregnancy to avoid the pigmentation from happening. And check your genes genetically. If your mom is more prone to it, then you have to be even more careful. And just not application of products, you can also physically protect your skin. So if you're going out, maybe wear a scarf, take a hat or a scarf to protect your skin from sun damage. Wear big sunglasses to protect your around the area, the eye area, because these things physically also blocking the sun can help you protect your skin from sun damage.
So, doctor, is vitamin C serum like good for sensitive skin?
Absolutely. So vitamin C serums also are available in various types and forms. They're gel based. There's something oil
Could you
based. There's
recommend like a good product as for a vitamin C serum?
So if one can pick any of these, there's Cipla Vitamin C Serum, very easily available. Then there is Cesderma Seaweed Serum. There's Is Clinical Genic C Serum. These are some of the very easily available serums. So if someone is acne prone and has a requirement to use a serum, you can use either Cesderma Azelaic Serum, or you can even use the Is Clinical Pro Heal Serum, which has come out as a very good one to combat acne, rosacea, and also give the right, uh, vitamin supplementation to the skin.
Right. I think someone had a question for retinol. that's a cream used for?
So retinol is like a wonder ingredient when it comes to anti-aging. One can use retinols at night, but it depends on what age bracket are you and what you are doing for your skin already. So your skin has to be well primed. You just can't simply buy retinol and start applying, because then it can definitely otherwise backfire and give you irritation. So maybe if you have been using everything properly and your skin is ready, you can start applying retinol, lowest concentration like maybe 0.25% at night, and then start building it up. So you start using it only once in a week to start with, and slowly you start like twice in a week, then thrice in a week, and maybe mix it with a little moisturizer so that it doesn't irritate your skin. And also you have to note, you have to apply a sunblock the next morning, because your skin is bound to get more sun sensitive if you're using retinols.
Right. Do you suggest any glutathione pills that's available in India? Do you recommend those?
Loads of glutathione supplements available, but then we have to know, what are we treating? Do you have sunspots? Are you just looking at brightening your skin tone? So all these things have to be assessed. There are loads of them available in the market. There's
Right.
Ethiglow, also eye glow capsules. It has to be at least minimum 1000 mg every day for at least 3 months to see any good results. So glutathione is a normal antioxidant which is present inside our body cells. But with the aging, the normal cell glutathione levels tends to dip down. So it's always good idea to implement it. And recently I also read a scientific paper wherein they were mentioning about glutathione also playing a very, very important role in boosting the immunity. So that's another very, very good. It's found to be protective for Parkinson's. It's found to be good for your skin. It's good for your liver. So it has a lot of good roles to play.
Okay, and would you recommend any, like I'm sure everybody has a lot of concern as dark circles, and so would you what cream would you recommend for under eyes?
So if you're looking at an under eye cream for dark circles, I would suggest you picking something which has actives like vitamin K oxide, and it has other vitamins inside to help depigment the area.
Right.
It has sometimes which helps in depuffing the under eye area in case you have puffy eyes. So there are a lot of under eye creams easily available in the market, like Filorca Optim under eye. Then there is something from Reticez under eye, Rock under eye. I recently also received a gift from L'Occitane under eye night repair. It's also one of the very good creams. I love the texture. So there are a lot of these things available. The idea is to be consistent. Many times we get the knowledge, but we don't apply it. So you have to
Right.
be consistent your skincare routine, and whatever product you choose, at least follow it, use it for at least 6 weeks together for that
Give a
product to
result.
work and magic on your skin.